Dear students, welcome to you in third lecture of atomic structure. Topics: properties of proton, electron and neutron, introduction of radioactive rays and discovery of atomic nucleus, and atomic number and mass number. First we go properties of proton, electron and neutron. पिछले वीडियोस में हम लोगों ने स्टडी कर रखी है डिस्कवरी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, डिस्कवरी ऑफ प्रोटॉन, डिस्कवरी ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन और उनकी बहुत सी प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में भी हम लोगों ने जान रखा है। उनको समराइज करके हम लोग देख लेते हैं। क्लियर? ये आइए देखते हैं या प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ प्रोटॉन, electron and neutron. Clear? First we for the name. Yeah, first is the electron and next is the proton and last is the neutron. Yeah, we go first symbol. The name proton, electron and neutron. We go first symbol for electron generally E, for proton P, for neutron N. Clear? Also sometimes it is represented as H plus. That means nucleus of hydrogen. Clear? Now we go. What is the absolute charge? Absolute charge in coulombs per coulomb. C-O-U-L-O-M-B. Coulombs. The charge of electron is negative. Clear? Minus 1.6022 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. For proton, same charge but of opposite nature, that is positive 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. For neutron, charge is 0. That is, it is a neutral particle. Clear? They are taken relative charge. They are taken minus 1, plus 1 and 0. Now we go mass. Mass in kilograms. Clear? For this taken 9.1 10 to power minus 31 kilogram. For this is taken 1.6726 10 to power minus 27 kilogram, and for this 1.67867 into 10 to power minus 27 kilogram. Clear? Now mass in AMU, atomic mass unit. Clear? This is really taken 1.49 ले ज़्यादा better 493. For this is 0.000054 mu. For proton 1.00727 AMU. For neutron 1.00867 AMU. Now taken relative mass or approx mass. Clear? It is negligible. It is 1 1. Now discovery. The discovery for electron by J.J. Thomson 1897 or proton by Rutherford in 1919, a neutron by James Chadwick in 1932. Clear? These are short study of properties of proton, electron and neutron. Clear? कुछ और देखें ध्यान से। प्रोटॉन को हम लोग जो है यहां पर H+ से क्यों सिंबल करते हैं, क्या रीजन? ठीक, इसका एक्चुअल सिंबल हमारे पास में है P1 पर। Why? What is the reason? This is a hydrogen atom. This is hydrogen atom. It contains nucleus and one electron. When electron is removed from the hydrogen atom, it gives H+ ion. When you remove the electron, it gives केवल only one proton. Clear? This is the H+ ion, or you can say hydrogen nucleus. You see, it is just equivalent to the proton, so it is also called proton. That is why proton is symbolized by hydrogen nucleus or H+ ion. इसके बाद देखें, यहाँ आगे की स्टडी के लिए हमें अल्फा, बीटा, गामा इनकी जरूरत पड़ती है. What's alpha, beta, gamma? These are called radioactive rays and produced in radioactivity. Clear? Radioactivity. It is discovered by Henry Becquerel. In 1896, इन्होंने रेडियोएक्टिविटी डिस्कवरी की थी. व्हाट इज रेडियोएक्टिविटी? देखिए, जब कोई हैवी एटॉमिक न्यूक्लियाई होता है लाइक यूरेनियम, रेडियम, थोरियम, पोलोनियम, उनमें खास प्रॉपर्टी होती है, उन्हें स्पॉन्टेनियस इमिशन ऑफ पेनिट्रेशन रेज. इसको कोई टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर का इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता है, उनसे अपने आप कुछ रेज निकला करती है. These rays have high penetration power. These are called radioactive rays. These are three types: alpha, beta, gamma. Clear? So what is radioactivity? How you define it? Spontaneous emission of penetrating rays from heavy atomic nuclei is called radioactivity, and such rays are called radioactive rays or Becquerel rays. These are three types: alpha, beta and gamma. Clear? We see for alpha rays. Clear? Alpha rays. Alpha rays are made up of minute particles. Clear? Which are called alpha particle. You know, one alpha particle is made up of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. They have 2 protons and 2 neutrons forming one alpha particle, which is equivalent to the nucleus of helium. Helium में आपको मालूम है that 2 protons, 2 neutrons are present in the nucleus and contains 2 electrons also. This is a helium atom. When it loses 2 electrons, then it gives 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Clear? Which is equivalent to alpha particle. Clear? This is helium dipositive ion, or you can say nuclei of helium. It is just equivalent to alpha particle. That is why alpha particle is represented by helium nucleus. It is called alpha particle. So alpha particles has positive charge equal to 2 protons. Clear? And it is mass is just approximately 4 times of the proton. Beta rays. Clear? Beta. How beta is formed? It is formed by decomposition of one neutron or decay of one neutron, which gives one proton and one electron. This produced electron is called beta particle, also represented in this way. This is beta particle. Clear? So beta particle is really emitting electron from the nucleus. कभी बीटा पार्टिकल के लिए बढ़ा है तो आप वहां पर इलेक्ट्रॉन लेकर के चलेंगे, अल्फा पार्टिकल की जगह ये सिंबल लेंगे. Now gamma rays, ठीक, these are made up of gamma photons. photons क्या होते हैं वो अभी इसी चैप्टर में आगे आप जाएं. Clear? These are neutral and having no mass, negligible mass. Clear? Now we go another topic. Discovery of atomic nucleus or Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment. Clear? This discovery done by Rutherford. उसमें उसका नाम क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट का? अल्फा पार्टिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट. एक्चुअली में इसमें जो है एटम्स के ऊपर यूं कह दीजिए अल्फा पार्टिकल्स का बम्बार्टमेंट कराया गया. अब एटम्स कहां से लाए? उसके लिए वेरी थिन फॉइल ऑफ गोल्ड का प्रयोग किया गया. It is by Rutherford in 1911. Rutherford discovered atomic nucleus in 1911 by their alpha particle experiment. उन्होंने क्या किया? गोल्ड मेटल की बहुत थिन फॉइल ली. Thin foil of gold metal. Clear? इसकी जो थिकनेस थी हमारे पास में, थिकनेस it is about 100 nanometer. Why you taken only gold? You can take iron, aluminium, but no. Actually में क्या है, metals की property होती जो आपने 9th में कहीं पढ़ रखी है, वो है metals are malleable. Malleable means on hammering a metal gives thin sheet. उसकी foil बना सकते हैं. And you know, gold is highly malleable metal. इसकी malleability सबसे अधिक होती है. जिसकी जो thin foil है, सबसे अधिक thin foil जो है, हम लोग इसी की प्रेफर कर सकते हैं. Gold is highly malleable metal. Clear? आप सोच सकते हैं 100 नैनोमीटर कितनी थिकनेस है, बहुत कम. तो हम ये मान के चल सकते हैं उसमें एटम्स की लेयर खाली पड़ेगी. और सामने जो है इस प्रकार की गोल्ड फॉइल पर बहुत दूर से, ठीक है ना, फास्ट मूविंग अल्फा पार्टिकल्स का बम्बार्डमेंट कराया गया और देखा गया क्या ऑब्जर्वेशंस. ठीक, so Rutherford bombarded fast moving alpha particles on very thin foil of gold metal. Approximately thickness is 100 nanometer. Clear? देखते हैं वहां पर क्या उनका ऑब्जर्वेशन था. सपोज गोल्ड फॉइल में एटम्स बिछे हुए, एटम्स आर जस्ट लाइक राउंड शेप, और उन्होंने अल्फा पार्टिकल्स बम्बार्डमेंट कराया. क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन देखें, देयर आर मेनी अल्फा पार्टिकल्स पास आउट विदाउट एनी डिफ्लेक्शन. These are really alpha particles which have positive charge equal to 2 protons. So these are positive in nature. Clear? These are positive in nature. Many alpha particles pass out without any deflection. Clear? They are really about 99.99% alpha particles pass out. It is the first observation. What is the conclusion? Rutherford concluded that most of the space of atom is empty, hollow, खोखला है. क्योंकि ये सीधे भागते निकल गए, इनको कोई यहाँ रोकने वाला मौजूद नहीं. ठीक वैसे ही जब बिल्कुल खाली सड़क होती, रोड होती है, ठीक, और आप जो है व्हीकल चला रहे हैं तो बहुत फास्ट स्पीड में भागते चले जाते हैं क्योंकि वहां कोई रश नहीं है, भीड़ नहीं है, विदाउट एनी डिफ्लेक्शन. ठीक है ना, धुआंधार स्पीड में जो है भाग गए. अगेन Rutherford saw that some alpha particles deflected towards outside. Such alpha particles passes near the center portion of the atom. Clear? In which some alpha particles pass out at a deflection more than 90 degree in this way. This deflection is towards outside. ये क्या शो करता है कि ये अल्फा पार्टिकल यहां सेंटर पोर्शन से रेपेल हो गए. एंड यू नो, like charges repel to each other and unlike charges attract to each other. So these alpha particles deflected towards outside, in which those alpha particles which are passed close near to the nucleus, they deflected at the angle more than 90 degree. It means hence a central body repel to alpha particles, and repulsion force always between two like charges. These are positively charged. It means a positively charged body is present in the center. A positively charged body is present in the center. Clear? It is a second observation and second conclusion. And again he saw very few alpha particles, about 1 in 20,000s. 20,000s alpha particles come back at the 90 degree. These alpha particles, really fast moving alpha particles, इनकी स्पीड बहुत तेज थी, और बहुत स्पीड तेज है, कोई हल्की फुल्की चीज रखी है तो क्या होगा, आप जो है उसको पेनिट्रेट करके आर पार निकल लेंगे। मगर यदि कहीं दीवार खड़ी हो मजबूत तो आप उसको पेनिट्रेट नहीं कर पाएंगे। ठीक है ना? तो इट मींस ये फास्ट मूविंग जो पार्टिकल्स हैं वो इस सेंट्रल पॉजिटिवली चार्ज बॉडी को पेनिट्रेट नहीं कर पाए। क्लियर? इट मींस this central body is highly rigid and dense. It is conclusion of third observation. Rutherford named such positively charged rigid body of the center as a nucleus. So it is the atomic nucleus. Clear? Again you see, there are three observations and three conclusions. First observation, most of the alpha particles pass out without any deflection. These are about 99.99%. Clear? Its result is, it means is maximum part of atom is hollow or empty. For the second observation, some alpha particles pass out. Some alpha particles deflected towards outside, which shows repulsion force from the central body. What is the conclusion? It shows that central body is positively charged, and very few alpha particles, about 1 in 20,000 alpha particles, come back at 180 degree. It proved that centrally positively charged body is highly rigid and dense. That means approximately whole mass of the atom is situated at the center. Clear? This center portion named as atomic nucleus by Rutherford. This is a discovery of atomic nucleus. तो हम लोगों ने बात की अभी यहाँ पर centrally positively charged body, that is atomic nucleus, is highly rigid and dense. That means whole mass of present in the atomic nucleus. और बाद में डिस्कवरी हुई कि रियली इस एटॉमिक न्यूक्लियस के भीतर ही होते हैं प्रोटॉन्स और न्यूट्रॉन्स। वहां इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं होता है, उनकी तो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज बॉडी है। क्लियर? और ये कैसा पार्ट था आपका? वेरी वेरी स्मॉल पार्ट। इसकी रेडियस देखी गई तो रियली रेडियस ऑफ atomic nucleus is approximately 10 to power minus 15 मीटर, जो कि एटम के कंपैरिजन में बहुत कम है. They are really radius of an atom is approximately 10 to power minus 10 meter. बहुत डिफरेंस है. Clear? Now we go another topic. Atomic number. Clear? Discovered by Moseley in 1930. According to Moseley, positively charged particles in an atom combinedly known as atomic number and is denoted by Z. Later on, Rutherford named such positively charged particles as proton. So now you can say total number of protons present in nucleus of atom, that is atomic nucleus, is called atomic number. Atomic number of given element. And you know, it is a fundamental property of the element. Clear? It was proved by Moseley. So there Z is equal to P, that is number of protons. You know, in an atom is always neutral. So they are really number of protons equal to number of electrons. So Z is equal to proton equal to electrons, equal to number of electrons in atom, not in ion. Clear? Now we go mass number. Mass number. You know, in the nucleus, protons and neutrons are present. Total number of protons and neutrons is called mass number. Total number of protons and neutrons in atomic nucleus is called mass number of atom. Clear? So mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. But you know, number of protons is equal to atomic number. Clear? This is. Hence, you can calculate, you can find out number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus proton. Clear? There is also one word, nucleon. No, nucleon means nuclear components. Nuclear components, that is proton and neutron. क्लियर? कभी आपका न्यूक्लियॉन वर्ड आ जाए तो न्यूक्लियस में रहने वाले, और वो कौन है? प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन। इनको आप पढ़िए, समझिए और वेट करिए नेक्स्ट वीडियो का, जहां हम लोग पढ़ेंगे एटॉमिक मॉडल्स।